where nature shows its full force. The sound of sweetness in my ears when nature is in good hands. The sound of sweetness in my ears when you look into my eyes. The sound of sweetness in my ears when children laugh in the woods. You're beautiful.